bolt. You backing up? Give me the plug. Set it off. There's something wrong with this P-trap. It's such crappy material. Turn it on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get this changed. Yeah. Something wrong with it. What? Where'd that bucket go that she had? Give me that. Look at that. Take this machine. Hey, so you've had this bucket under here because the pipe's leaking, eh? Miss? You had the bucket under here because the pipe is leaking? Oh boy. You had the bucket under here because the pipe is leaking?
No, like Dimitri, the manager, supervisor who works here, he came and he tried by himself to, yeah.
Yeah, but you see the pipe leaks, eh?
Yeah.
So, I'm going to tell them to change that.
Okay, okay, it was food?
What?
No, down the line.
Down the line.
Okay, perfect.
Grease. What is it?
Okay, perfect. Best news ever. So you are gonna also tell her that it's leaking?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
What about it?
Okay.